Hello, my name is Denisenko Denis. In this video, we will go over profile folders in the anti-detect browser Dolphin Anti. Profile folders are needed for convenient sorting and dividing them into groups that users need. How do you use them? Let's take a look now. To start working with folders, you need to expand the display panel for them. To do this, click the folder shape button in the top left corner. You can also use this same button to collapse the panel. After that, the folder panel will appear, which includes a search bar for folders, a Create Folder button to the right of the search, an All Profiles button to display the entire list regardless of folder, and a Create Folder button, which is temporary and disappears after the first folder is created. Create a folder. Let's get to the main point. Click Create Folder in either of the two places. Here, you can give the folder any name using any characters or emojis and then click Create Folder. Now our folder appears in the list and you can work with it. If you click on the three dots next to its name, you can edit, rename or delete it and pin the folder, which pins it to the top of the list. Delete does exactly what it says. Important, when deleting a folder, you are given the option to delete the folder along with the profiles inside it, or just the folder itself without deleting the profiles. Keep this in mind when deleting. Adding profiles to a folder. Next question, where do you add the profiles? There are several options. The first option is bulk adding. Simply select several profiles, check them off, and on the panel that appears at the bottom, click Add to Folder. In the window that opens, select the folders you need and finish by clicking the Move button. Done. Our profiles are now linked to the folder, and if we click on it in the folder list, we will see only the profiles that are in it. Also, in each profiles line, it is indicated which folder it belongs to. At the top, you can see which folder is currently open. Option 2, Individual Assignment. Click the folder button in the row of the profile you need, and in the window that appears, also select the folder you want and click Move. Done. Remove a profile from a folder. How do you remove a profile from a folder? You need to select the profile and click Remove from Folder in the bottom panel, then confirm the action in the window that appears. Can you swap the positions of folders? Yes, you can, and it's very easy to do. Hold down the mouse button on the spot where the 6 dots are shown and drag the folder up or down. After that, it will change its position. A single profile cannot be in multiple folders at the same time. You should always pay attention. When deleting a folder, do you need to delete it along with the profile inside it or not? For now, the folder functionality works separately for each user. Team functionality for global folders for all users is already in development. We remind you that all new users get a 20% discount on their first payment with the promo code YouTube. When you make a one-time payment for any annual plan, you automatically receive a 40% discount. Don't forget to comment on the tutorials and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss the latest updates and project news. Thank you for watching.